Hello, WWE Toy Show. Here to talk about WWE figures. Gonna show you the 4 figures I have here. Stone Cold Steve Austin. John Cena. Dean Ambrose. Finally, Kane. It's a very old figure. Okay, now I'm going to get more figures at the end of October. They will be on it. I will update you on them. And, well, let's have a look. With Stone Cold Steve Austin, a few problems. When I bought him, he had these dirty marks on his stomach. I don't believe that's a bad thing that the manufacturers have done, but that's a bad thing that was about him. Another bad thing, yep, the tattoo. If you look online, it's a little bit different to this tattoo, which is really annoying. However, there are good things about the Stone Cold figure. Obviously, the face actually looks like Stone Cold. The attire actually is Stone Cold's attire. And that's just in my eyes, a good figure of Stone Cold Steve Austin. Put it to one side. Now let's move on to John Cena. Just to say, all figures except Kane do actually stand up. Okay, good things about this. Looks like him. Again, hairstyles, his hairstyle. Bad thing. There is actually a bad thing. His feet. Sounds quite weird. His feet never stay still. They always keep turning. All the time, just keep turning. Put them down, they turn. But good things. The arm, C Nation. You can't see me on this arm. And yes, in general, it actually looks like him. So, let's move on to Dean Ambrose. There's not very many bad things about this. He stands. He looks like Dean Ambrose. His hair's like Dean Ambrose. Muscles are like Dean Ambrose. Bad thing is, again, a couple of marks. And these were boxed. Okay, when I got these were actually boxed. But everything else about Dean Ambrose is good. It's actually good. I got these from Argos Toys, from their toy section. I got Stone Cold and Dean Ambrose on the same day. Kane, I never actually remember where he come from. But let's have a look. Old Kane. They've even, I don't know if you can see this, guys. His eyes are actually different colours, like how they used to be in the actual wrestling. But with this, there's bad things. He doesn't stand. That proves it, because it's not the camera. He doesn't stand. Unless you put him in the... Take ages and ages to stand him properly. I like figures like them that actually have stand there straight away. Made out of rubber as well, so very flexible. Good things about it, however, that it looks like the old Kane. All the detail on this one is good. Even the blood that's inside, I don't know if you can see that. But he actually has like red. It looks like red paint, obviously in real life, but meant to be a symbol of blood. You see it a bit better on that hand. Okay, so that's my figure collection. On the 24th of October, sorry about that, guys. On the 24th of October, I'm getting Rey Mysterio, Randy Orton, Matt Hardy, and Edge, an old Edge. It's for my birthday. There could be other things, I'm not sure yet, but I'll be back end of the month with that for you. Thank you very much for watching.